Welcome back to Parker Media Productions. Today, your internet provider can monitor all your online activities. Imagine being able to hide your internet activity from prying eyes. I will share my expert recommendations for the best VPNs for privacy in 2026. With over 30 years of experience in cybersecurity, I've tested numerous VPN tools for you. You may wonder if a VPN is still necessary. The answer is yes. It's more crucial than ever. Your ISP can log and sell your personal data too. If your ISP offers cheap prices, they're likely selling your data to make up for it. Public Wi-Fi networks are still quite dangerous. Governments and advertisers continue to invade our privacy. A reliable VPN encrypts your data and hides your IP address. It safeguards your crypto transactions, family browsing, and home network. We previously discussed router guides and whole home VPN setups. Today, we'll focus on specific VPN recommendations. I don't rely solely on marketing claims. I perform real tests, using tools like Wireshark to check for leaks. I also use speedtest.net to assess performance. I test with various devices, including my Ubiquiti router setup. I evaluate based on no-logs audits, legal jurisdiction, kill switch reliability, WireGuard support, and customer service. I look for independent audits and real-world streaming capabilities. Transparency is key. I disclose any affiliate links while ensuring my opinions are hands-on. For the best overall VPN, I recommend NordVPN. It offers fast speeds, great streaming unblocking, and robust privacy features. Advantages include double-hop servers and a verified no-logs policy. The downside? It's not the cheapest option for basic needs. For excellent privacy, consider Proton VPN. Proton is based in Switzerland, offers open-source apps, and has a strong free option. If you use Proton Email or Drive, it integrates seamlessly. It's great for basic privacy needs without unnecessary complexity. Mullvad is ideal for anonymity, accepting cash or crypto without requiring an account. For budget users, Surfshark provides unlimited device connections at a low price. It supports streaming effectively and offers additional features like ad blocking. For whole home router setups, choose providers with strong WireGuard support, such as NordVPN or Proton. They work well with devices like Ubiquiti or other flashed routers. Each option has trade-offs, but these perform best in my tests. Avoid free VPN services. Most free services log data or insert ads, violating your privacy. Be wary of unclear logging policies or providers in surveillance-heavy areas. Don't use services with bad update histories or enforced data collection policies. If a service seems too good to be true, especially free unlimited offerings, question its legitimacy. Always remember, your privacy is worth a small investment for proper protection. Always turn on the kill switch to keep your data secure. Use split tunneling for trusted devices such as smart home equipment. Choose WireGuard protocol for better speed and security over older protocols. Combine your VPN with Pi-hole to block ads and trackers on your network. Set it up on your router for coverage throughout your home, as previously discussed. Regularly test for leaks using sites like iPleak.net. Use human intelligence alongside AI tools for monitoring performance and product selection. Just like our channel's philosophy, select a VPN based on your primary usage needs. Always choose providers that are audited and have a no-logs policy. Ensure thorough testing on your own setup. And remember to keep your router firmware updated. A reliable VPN is an essential layer in your overall security plan. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more home network defense tips. Share in the comments which VPN you're using or considering. Check the description for links to my router guide, Pi-hole setup, and testing resources. Thanks for watching. Stay secure out there.